Oh, mountains of Mecca, what can you say of the day that Abraham passed your way? And he was instructed by God to build a house of peace where peace.
Saan kayo, sir? Dalawa kayong driver? Teka, bababa ako.
Camel and out of every ravine for the purpose.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
May job interview ako sa general manager nyo.
Kaninong general manager ka ba may appointment?
Eh di sa general manager nyo. Bakit? Ilan ba general manager nyo?
Dalawa.
Dalawa?
Bakit? Ayaw mong maniwala? Tingnan mo doon.
Titignan ko. Ayoko dito. Mahirap talaga ang dalawang manager. Thank you na lang, sir. Ayoko magtrabaho sa dalawang amo. Nakakalito ako kung sino susundin ko. Palagay ko may mali. Kung yung dalawang driver sa taxi, mababangga sigurado. Yung dalawang boss siguradong magulo. Palagay ko di hamak na mas mahihirap kung higit sa isang Diyos na sasambahin ko.
When the Prophet Muhammad climbed down in despair, engraved in his heart were the words of his Lord. To all of mankind this was his call.